Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by closing any overlays and backing up Gta San Andreas plus your save folder. This prevents accidental corruption. Once done, check your monitor resolution in Windows display settings and note the width and height numbers. Next, run Gta San Andreas once to create or update the settings, files the widescreen tools will modify. This initial launch ensures the game has baseline configs so edits take effect. Make sure you know if you have a Steam or standalone install, because paths differ and you will need the correct folder. Once files are backed up, install a reputable widescreen fix for San Andreas. Many fixes patch Gta San Andreas or alter in files to accept modern aspect ratios. You will input your exact resolution numbers into the patch or mod installer, don't guess. The tool often adjusts HUD scaling and camera FOV, change those to match 16:9 or your ultra-wide ratio. After applying, run the game in windowed mode, first to confirm HUD placement, then switch to full screen to validate that menus and cutscenes render correctly. To finish, launch the game and play through a few missions and menus to verify HUD alignment and camera behavior. You should notice no stretched textures or cutscene cropping. If things look wrong, exit and restore your backups, then try a different widescreen build or enable Windows compatibility mode for the EXE. One key troubleshooting tip: if HUD elements vanish or are off-screen, revert to backup and progressively reapply only one change at a time. This isolates the problematic setting so you can fix it quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.